Another function of kidney is maintenance of acid base balance. The kidney also maintain the acid base balance in the body. When the body fluid, example blood and lymph, becomes more acidic, that is more concentration of the acid than the concentration of the base. More acid is excreted by the kidney with urine. Excess loss of bases is prevented at the same time by the kidney. If the concentration of a base becomes higher, more salts will be excreted with the urine. This is how our kidney maintain the acid and base balance in our body to maintain homeostasis.